Morning. First morning back in Hawaii, and my mom made some breakfast.
Salmon and rice.
Rice, right? Oh man. Wow. All green. Morning. This is the house.
Chocolate flower. Baby chocolate.
That's cute.
These are old ones.
What is that tree?
That's got to put on with the real sour when you're putting fish.
Anyways, this whole fence wasn't here before when I been go. Oh, look at that. This fence is nice. Super tight. Uh-oh. Big boy's loose. We got a fence now. You guys can run free. That's awesome. Look at this. Imagine making like cutting a watermelon over here, yeah?
Feel that carpeting.
Yeah, look at that.
It's about this deep, all wood chips, because I cut these trees, these big ohias.
Man, it's such a cool feeling to see the dogs running. But they always mag-away. Oh man, this is gorgeous. Black bamboo. Look at this big tree they cut down. This used to be the biggest tree I've ever seen in my life, standing right there.
All these coffee plants got to go too much coffee. It makes seeds everywhere. Avocados.
Oh, yeah.
But this isn't my best tree. This one's the best eaten avocado in the tropics.
Look at that.
These are my big ones. Big traps.
Carnivorous plants. They eat bugs.
This one's a Vixii truncata from Mindanao.
Philippines?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Pitcher plant. Oh, I know where to show you.
It's a beautiful one.
This one's a different kind.
So the bug is attracted to the lip.
And then they fall in, splash down, digest, they eat through the leaves. Free fertilizer.
Oh, and this is the rabbit hole. What's in there?
That's a big tree that rotted away after the lava flow killed it.
Are they getting along?
Right now they're fighting over territory.
Oh, what the heck? He just ran in there.
Then they got in a big fight the other day and fell in a hole back. Oh, they tore each other to pieces. But see these kind with the big leaves, like that tree? Those grow up to be monster problem. They strangle everything. They spread like crazy. They're hard to kill. They're a bad sap, and they're just totally invasive species.
Yeah, it's nice to see them run free. Hey!
No, just let them. They're stupid already. This is razor grass, so don't let it drag on your skin. It'll slice you. Now watch the sensitive plant. You touch it, it gets very shy. It hides. But if you touch it too hard, it has thorns and they hurt.
What's up, boy? What's up, boy? How you doing, Teddy? Oh. Ang palaya?
Nagtumubo ang palaya.
Sarap ba yun?
Oo, tignan mo.
Oh, this is the classic taro. Look what I found. I should have put the year pala. I would measure my height here. So he's gonna use this to try to saw some wood over here. So what we're doing is removing These rocks.
There's Papa Rock, Mama Rock, Baby Rock.
Gonna put that tree in here. But you gotta break these lava rocks and these things first. Get a decent sized hole and stick this redwood, showing them this redwood palm tree.
This is called a sealing wax.
Sealing wax palm. So we dig this hole. I'm gonna put this colorful one in there. Hard work.